delay time, and due to this delay, we lost the product. We eliminate the loss of production, and we recommend this kind of system whenever there is a high inclination conveyor and there is no alternative source of conveyor feeding. Thank you, sir. Thank you for kind attention, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Mandal. It was a very technically intensive topic, which I think how many people of the audience, because it's a hardcore bulk material handling design you are discussing about. Questions asked to you, please. Next speaker now, I invite Mr. Bhushan Chechani, General Manager, Bhagya Lakshmi Rolling Mills Private Limited, Jalna. His topic is high volume production of quality rebar using induction furnace ecosystem. So we are having a presenter from secondary steel sector. Till now we are having speakers from Jindal, from Arcelor, from Tata Steel. So now some change is there. Over to you.
Good afternoon, everyone. And first of all, thank you to KP Singh sir and Mikon for calling us and giving us a stage to say this slide. And I'll start my slide. We are doing high volume, high quality rebar via induction ecosystem. So this is the Bhagya Lakshmi, how it looks, the infrastructure. We have smart scrapyard, induction furnace clusters, continuous casting machine, rolling mill, quality assurance department, and dispatch. As you know, the induction furnace, the demand is increasing of steel day by day. And induction furnace is one of the platform where you can set up a plant within 12 to 18 months of time. And as you see, I don't know about the rest, but it takes more time as compared to induction furnace. The traceability, we have surging demand traceability expectations, speed to market, commercial eligibility, and environmental sustenance. What defines an induction furnace ecosystem? Standardized scrap management, intelligent grading by density, composition, and size to ensure the melt chemistry and predict furnace performance. We have 3 yards, I'll show you. And stable melting operations, multi-furnace configuration with diaphragm panel, refractory erosion detection system, PLC-based monitoring. We have clean practice of casting, ladle positioning, quick nozzle changers, EMS, and sustainable water circuits. Control rolling parameter, we have 3 rolling mills with multiple slits and wire rod. Digital governance layer like ERP and SCADA to integrate. We have material tracking from scrap till finish. This is the 1 yard we can highlight. This is the open yard in which we have different kind of sorting machines, electrical poke lands, and all the material is traceable, digitally documented. We are the first to register vehicle scrapping policy in Maharashtra. We have 30 electrically operated. We have converted all the poke lands into electrically operated. Intelligent logistics and just-in-time feeding. From yard, material is shifted by the containers to the induction furnace bay, and it is completely monitored by GPS tracking systems and all. We have SCADA system in the induction furnace to monitor the material, weighbridge checking systems, and charge compositions. Induction furnace cluster, we have 250-ton induction furnaces of 26 megawatt each, 30 tons induction furnace of 16 megawatt each, and as I told, diaphragm panel, erosion detection system, safety interlocks, load cells are installed. Charging and melting optimization, different kind of charge mix are added, and all the charge mixes sandwiches are made from the yard itself. Metallurgical refinement and clean steel practices, deoxidation control via Cassie wire feeding and aluminum wire feeding. We have gas content management, like LECO systems are there to monitor the gas analysis. Multi-point sampling with spectrometers, optimize alloy practice to optimize the resources. Continuous casting machine, we have casters, 3 casters by electrotherm, and MEMS, hydraulic oscillator, air mist cooling from 110 to 150 section of billet, 6 meters to 18 meters of length. We have hot rolling mills from 8 to 40 we can make all the sizes, and it is customizable from 3 meters to 18 meters. This is direct hot charging is the like we can save lot of energy, and we can hot rolling reduce the CO2 emission significantly. Control quenching and product range, Thermax and Temcore technologies. We have premium grade like 550, D600, CRS bars. We have NABL grade testing facilities and standard compliances like IS 1786, BS 4449, ASM A615, ISO 6935. Precise processing like 12-meter length and rebar can be cut from 3 meters to 18 meters depending on the customer's demand. We have ERP and SCADA integration to monitor the material from yard to finished good till the customer's end. As you know, the CO2 emission of Pollard is like 1.77 as compared to the global average of 1.91. This is how the factory looks like. We have a 132 substation, 2 SMS, and 3 mills. Thank you.
Beautiful presentation. Question answers shall be during lunch. Yeah, thank you. Now our third paper of this session. It's about the waste to wealth mission to strengthening the steel industry. Mangalam Alloys Limited, Dr. Anil Kumar Chaturvedi. Welcome you, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. I've been hearing right from beginning the session where all big corporate leaders and the experienced people deliberations were there. I just want to narrate as an entrepreneur after 75 when I graduated, how I started and how the quality at all footsteps were taken care of, what were the challenges, and where we are now landed with the waste recycling. Please load the slide. Mangalam Alloys Limited is a stainless steel integrated plant. We have a moderate turnover of 450-500 crores rupees, and it is in MSME. When we started, basically I'm an entrepreneur and technocrat. You know, besides degree, we don't have anything when we started, and that was my story. And how to start with this when you have the limited money and all that. We started the induction melting, and my line is stainless steel. My manufacturing is stainless steel, long products and flat products. Now, to do that, the traditional way was, and regular way was, that the flat was coming from the AOD and all that. I started with recycling. Now when recycling, that time it was 200 series, which was popular. Now how to introduce nitrogen? Because it's a challenge to introduce nitrogen in small furnaces. Somehow, and the problem with MSME and small scale industry is that there is no model available in the world which can be copied or which can be consulted. So whatever is to be done is innovatively in-house we have to develop step by step. This is how we found out nitrided manganese metal from South Africa, started introducing nitrogen to that and made the same steel. Now what is my benchmark? When I make 200 series, Jindal is my benchmark. And Jindal has been leader all through these last 50 years. And you know, we started selling to the same customer, of course, to a narrow segment where the regular customers don't require those type of quality and all that. And we were at par with that. Then we started making long products, bars, angles, squares, hacks, and this is how the journey started. Every step, for example, when we are talking about sustainability, there is a problem of water to dispose of. I am from Gujarat, Ahmedabad. And there is a regulators are there are compliances are there, and besides it hurts our own feelings also, that water is effluent is discharged. So what we started is how we can come to zero effluent discharge. We achieved it. It was a simple mass balance. What we chemical engineering, we studied, and whatever is the waste heat of wastewater is used in the rolling mill for the recirculation. That was the cheapest one. As a community, we have to have inclusive growth when there are very few manufacturers. So we started common effluent treatment plant. I have been instrumental in that, where 1,000 industry, including Reliance, was our member. Ingersoll Rand is one of them. And then the first Asia's biggest site of solid waste disposal was built by us. It is on record. It is way back in 95. This is how we started, but the very thing which was pinching us was that waste is being disposed, because we look it as a waste, but nature has no waste. Nature has no legs and heart, but still there is no waste. Everything is being recycled. If there is a waste, then it's a way I look at that, and it is basically loss of the yield, which is a waste. Can we recycle it? This is how we started, and that zero water discharge, ETP, STP, this all success which comes in the way of environment. I got few awards, national, international, for doing this environment work. And we, of course, we did not formalize till last 10 years. When we formalize our in-house R&D, we have very few stainless steel industries where there is in-house R&D is present. We are one of them. We have 6, 7 patents in our name, 7 patents, including international patents. And basically, we have worked on the waste recycling or waste best use. We have been talking, and there's a deliberation from one gentleman. He was talking about waste recycling within his factory. We did not stick to that. Whatever we sell, we will not dispose it to the landfilling site or the site which is allowed by the government, but we will make use of it in such a way so that it is useful to anybody. So I am just sharing you what we have done. When we talk about stainless steel, I now make all 304, 304, 316, all grades, more than 20 grades. And more than 40 countries we are exporting to, including Indian domestic market. And we have made our quality standards in such a way that it sustains all through life. 45 years is my journey in this company. And now waste has got nickel, manganese, copper, chromium, you know all that. So we made a combination of chemical engineering, metallurgy, and the physical separation, solid separation, what we have read in our chemical engineering. And this is how we have done it and at our own plant. And today, I'm happy to share with you that we have, as a company, we don't have any waste to be sold as waste or to be disposed as a waste. All water is being reused, all STP, all the sewage is being reused or for use in the plantation. And whatever waste we are generating, we are either making the byproduct or we are reusing it or we sell it to we convert it into a useful product and sell it. And whatever is balance left, we make the bricks. I have a patent for making that bricks. The gentleman yesterday was giving his deliberation, and there was questions about the bricks and paver blocks, but they have many things. it requires a proper combination, which we luckily get from my own industry. And this is how we have made the bricks, which has got better strength than your routine bricks. And in fact, my R&D center and all my unit 2 is all built from the waste only. So this is what, ladies and gentlemen, this is my journey regarding the waste. This is how when the question of sustainability is concerned, this is how we can do. And I feel there is no waste in the nature. Industry should not have any waste. What is lacking is either ignorance of the technology or ignorance of our own determination to solve it. So there should be a principle that whatever we are manufacturing or making, either we do it ourselves, recycling, or make a common effluent treatment plant, what we did in Naroda as a president. In fact, I will not boast, but we even, when you are talking about inclusive growth, we started one cooperative bank, we started one community hall, we started the hospital, common hospital services, school, all this, because this all inclusive growth, without that integrated growth, your growth
Let us
will not
now
be possible.
try to conclude it.
Right, sir? Yeah. Thank you. So, if you want to just visit this is what what we are now targeting, whatever we are doing, we have reached to a place where we are not disposing of any waste. This is the target that we want to go further so that we make more value from the waste. Right now, I will tell you the ratio. 1 crore is my cost of waste. When we talk about production cost, 20 lakhs I am recovering from as a revenue net from the recycling or making use of it. And this is what we want to increase and go near and near to 1 crore so that we have better value addition and we save money. This is what the sustainability story of mine in front of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Minor correction, that speaker is Mr. Uttam C. Mehta. You are Uttam C. Mehta, no? Because original we had the name of Mr. Anil Chaturvedi. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Mehta. It was a very nice presentation. Now we are calling the last speaker of this session, concluding session of this international conference. So it is by Mr. Amit Chandra, Marketing Manager. He is from APC Solutions for APC Solutions. And that topic is APC Solutions for Steel Plants. It is something about pollution control. Over to you.
Thank you so much. Would just like you to correct my name. It is Alok Chand. Some mistake happened in the name. I'm Vice President, Marketing and Sales, Enviropol Engineers. We are into the business of air pollution control. Slide, please. So just to give you an introduction, Enviropol is one of the few companies which is providing solutions for the air pollution control in wet as well as dry systems. So just to tell you a little bit about our company, you can see here we are globally present in 30 plus countries, and you can see our mission and our vision statement here. The industries we serve is not only steel, but we do mining and metals, sugar and biomass, paper and pulp, oil and gas, chemicals, cement and processes. You can see our product range over here. As I said, we are into wet system as well as dry system. So we have wet scrubber, we have wet ESP, we have ESP, we have back filters. We have a product called EGB, which is electrified gravel bed. We have flue gas desulfurization, which is in wet as well as dry solutions. We are into biomass dryer, where we are reducing the moisture content in the biomass and increasing the efficiency of the boiler. Somebody talked about the pelletization of the biomass. So we have installed a plant on our own for making the biomass pellets from the horticulture wastes. We are slowly entering into CBG market also. We are present in 30 plus countries, as you can see here. These are our customers in India. And these are some of our international customers. And we have our in-house manufacturing facility in Greater Noida. Our corporate office is in Noida. This presentation is going to be about the overview of the steelmaking processes, the pollutions issues which they are facing, and the solution which is required for each of the unique requirements of the industrial processes, and some of the upcoming technologies. So this is your steelmaking chart. We all are familiar with it. And every process emits pollutants, and we have to recover those pollutants. Just to give you an idea about raw material handling system, you have the dust which is to be captured. If we talk about the sinter plant and pellet plant, again, we have a dust which is a particulate, which is gaseous pollutants also. And we utilize ESP and back filters to take care of it. This is about the DRI plant, wherein you require wet scrubbers also for the cooling of the hot fumes which is being generated. When we talk about the rotary kilns, you require ESP and back filters. When we talk about coal gasifier, we have to remove tar. So we have a solution called wet ESP and wet scrubbers. We are also into chemical scrubbers. When you talk about coke ovens, we are into electrostatic tar precipitator. We are into back filters. We are into ESPs. We are also into CDQ, pollution control systems. Then blast furnace, we have the solution for the stock house, the cast house, etc. Then hot metal desulfurization, we are present in both the KR type and the injection type of system. Basic oxygen furnace, we have a capability to do the secondary dedusting facility by providing the dog houses. It can be installed with ESP or back filter. This is just the wet kind of cleaning which we are not into at the moment. Then electric arc furnace requires the primary and secondary emissions to be controlled through a canopy. And the power plant, you have various pollutants, so it has to be removed through the ESP or the back filter and FGDs. Now, as we can all see that we have the particulate matter to capture, we have the heavy metals to capture, we have the acid mist to capture, and the gaseous pollutants to be captured, which includes SOx and NOx. Of course, these things are causing a lot of harmful effects to our health. So the possible solutions are what? The possible solutions are back filters, the ESP, the cyclones and the multi-cyclones, DSOX and DNOx reactors, wet scrubbers, and wet ESP. You can see the various solutions being applied in various sections of the steel plant, because every section has its unique challenges. And what are the factors on which you select their pollution control equipment? The factors are the gas flow, pressure, the nature of the gas, the temperature of the gas, particulate size, distribution, etc. And if you can have a comparison on how to select the back filter, or dry ESP, or wet ESP, or wet scrubber, then you have various parameters which is to be considered. Some of the latest trends in the back filter, we would like to talk about the long bags, which significantly reduces the footprint area apart from offering the other benefits. You have the broken back detection. We have the solution to convert the ESP into back filter. Then we have the high temperature filter, in which you can have the gas temperature of up to 450, 500, or even 700 degrees through the ceramic candles or the sintered metal back filter. These are the sintered metallic bags. We are going to be implementing this project very soon. And as far as the ESP is concerned, the solution for the outdated ESPs could be the installation of the high frequency TR set. So we are in discussion and in agreement with a Norwegian company called SIDE, wherein we are offering these solutions. One of the area where we have made a significant difference is to install an EGB as an extension of the electrostatic precipitator. So in a normal upgrade of ESP, you have to increase, maybe if you want to increase the number of fields, you require more space. But we have a system called electrified gravel bed, which contributes to greater efficiency compared to the 3 fields. It can be done in a single field, as well as the reduction in the area by 30%. And it offers other advantages like it doesn't require anything regarding the dust resistivity. It can handle any kind of dust resistivity. This is what we talk about here. The ESP and the EGB is MEPA. This is a product which has been patented by Enviropol. So this is EGB. I'll not talk about it much. Then we are into FGD also. You can see here. And then we are into wet ESP. So the wet ESP is required where the particulates or the gases are having the sticky nature like that of the tar in the coke oven plant. I'll just take one more minute. So it works on a similar principle as that of ESP, but then herein the gases has to be saturated. You can see the comparison between a scrubber baghouse and dry ESP and a wet ESP. So wet ESP can take care of each and every challenges which you can encounter to mitigate the pollution. So it is used in the electrostatic tar precipitator in the product plant after the coke oven gas. These are some of the references of our wet ESP. We have supplied the electrostatic precipitator to JSW Bellary, to Hindalco, to Vedanta Group, then to Rubamen, it's a chemical company. Aditya Birla, we have supplied it to BPSL JSW. And some of the industry, we talked about MSW pyrolysis. So we have supplied it to NTPC to clean the syngas. Then other companies you can see here. And then the chemical scrubber. And these are the wet scrubbers which are being supplied to JSPL for recovery of the rolling mill fumes. And of
Mr.
course,
Chan.
it is being used in the DRI plant also and the other sectors also.
Mr. Chan.
So I would like to say thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much. And as already informed, we are having one other small session after this. So I would ask all the panel speakers who have given an interesting deliberation on their topics to have a question answer sessions during lunch. Sure. Now I am giving the mic to Chairman sir, and he will summarize whatever you have.
Sure.
So this has been a good session. I mean, one thing is clear that, quality and sustainability cannot be achieved without understanding technology, right? All 4 of you have really summarized that it's not in isolation. Process, control systems, data, measurement, maintenance, everything plays a part in quality. Now, specifically, Mr. Ujjal, your presentation, I think can be summed in one line, is that God is in detail, right? So you have done a great root cause analysis and taken a feedback from it and then improved it. So that's what it's about. That's what moving ahead is all about. Mr. Bhushan, I think I congratulate you for a secondary market speaker here. I know both Nitinji and Praveerji from many years and been following. So your company has been a front runner, a risk taker, and most of the first in the second industry has been done by you. I think the low cost producer you are is because of that spirit. Yeah, congratulations on that. Uttamji, I think one thing is very clear, that Indian enterprise is about responding to whatever is required with the new ideas. And the list is a long one, but that water reuse, metal recovery, bricks, all the ideas are super ideas, implemented, no theory. So I appreciate that. Alokji, one word. You have solution for the complete chain of the causes of pollution in steel industry and corresponding technologies. So that's a powerful package to come on table with. So congratulations on that. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Announcer.
So thank you very much, sir. And now it's time to felicitate all the speakers and chairperson and moderator of this session. So now may I request session chair, Mr. Varun Kumar, MD Dev Energy, to felicitate our speakers. And first speaker from SAIL RDCIS, Mr. Ujjal Kumar Mandal. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. तालियों के साथ स्वागत और अभिनंदन. Next speaker will be Mr. Bhushan Seshani, General Manager, Steel Melting Shop, Bhagya Lakshmi Rolling Mill Private Limited, Jalna. And next speaker will be Mr. Uttam Kumar Mehta, Founder, Mangalam Alloys Limited. Next speaker will be Mr. Alok Chanda, Vice President, Marketing and Sales, Enviropol Engineers. Thank you very much, sir. And now I would like to invite Honorable Director Technical, Mr. Amit Raj, to present memento to Session Chair, Mr. Varun Kumar, MD Dev Energy, and Session Moderator, Mr. Sanjay Kumar, CGM, Port and Material Handling, Mekon Limited. Director Technical, Mr. Amit Raj, is presenting mementos to Session Chair. तालियां आपकी तरफ से जरूर हों. Mr. Varun Kumar, MD Dev Energy. And now to Session Moderator, Mr. Sanjay Kumar, CGM, Port and Material Handling. बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद sir. Thank you very much sir. बहुत धन्यवाद Director Technical Mr. Amit Raj for presenting mementos to all the speakers. Thank you sir. Please take your seat. And now we will move ahead for next presentation. Thank you to all our speakers and chairperson and moderator. A photograph will be taken. एक photograph होगी sir. Please come on the stage, sir. Group photograph. Sir, आप आ जाइए sir. Sir, sir you come also sir. Organizing Secretary, sir, please also join. Thank you. हो गया? And after this, we will move forward. Before lunch session, this is presentation. And now, today's last session is on various, before valedictory session and before lunch. This is the last session, is on various central government and state governments' fiscal incentive scheme for steel industry. The session shall be presented by Mr. Arindam Kumar, AGM Mekon, and Mr. Adarsh Gupta, Manager EY. The session shall be moderated by Mr. KP Singh, AGM Mekon. So now I welcome to you, sir.